Hi guys, welcome to Marcy's Senior Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook some brown stew beef. Guys, I'm going to put all different type of season into it, guys, and show you how to pot roast your beef. We don't put it into pressure cooker, guys. Guys, very nice. So hi guys, I'm going to show you how to season your meat and make it soak for 20 minutes. Guys, inside the video coming up, you're going to see, guys, when I put in chocho into my meat, carrot into my meat, and bell pepper, and Irish potato too, guys. Those things are coming up last in the video. Guys, you will see when I season it and show how to pot roast your meat. We don't put it into pressure cooker, guys. So guys, we're going to put in some cayenne pepper into it. Cayenne pepper is very good for your health. You don't have to put enough, guys, because you know if you have any children at home, cannot eat it because cayenne pepper is very hot. So put a small amount inside of it. Now we're going to put in some paprika inside of it. Some all-purpose season. Going to add a teaspoon of salt. Some mixed spice. Now guys, I love to use this in my beef. It have ginger, mango, all different type of things inside of it, guys. I love to use it into my beef. When I put in roast in my beef, I love to use it, guys, into my meat. Very nice sauce. Very nice sauce, guys. I'm going to put a small amount into it, guys. Well, guys, a small amount of browning. You know, the browning is very dark, so you have to know the amount to use into your meat to make it black. We don't want our beef to black. We just want it to brown and have nice color. Now we're going to add in the chopped onion inside of it. Some chopped scallion inside of it. And some chopped garlic. We're going to add in some chopped tomato. Okay, you're going to rub in everything. And you see the color of the meat? Pretty. So guys, we're going to put it away for 20 minutes. And after the 20 minutes, guys, you can start to pot roast your beef. So guys, it's time for we to start to cook the meat, guys. Cook with me, guys. I love when you cook with me, guys. Watch me cook, guys. Thank you. Love you, guys. So guys, here we go. It's pretty. So guys, we're going to add about 2 cups of water now inside of it. And guys, remember, when your meat cooking and you're going to taste it, because guys, you're going to add water until this meat cook. So guys, when you add your water into this meat, remember to use boiling water. It's easier for you guys to make the meat faster to cook, guys. Do not use any more cold water inside of your meat. Once your meat start to cook, guys, please use hot water inside of it. And a small amount each time till the meat is tender down and cook, guys. So guys, let's check on the meat. It have a lot of water still inside of the meat, because meantime the meat is cooking, it's steaming its own water. So guys, we're going to make it cook right down, guys, to a small amount of water, like it's going to gravy. And you guys are going to check on it And if your meat is not soft, guys, you're going to pour about a small teacup of hot water inside of it. And guys, that meat going to take water until it cooks. So guys, look on it. This is what we're talking about. You see, guys, you don't have a lot of water inside of it. So it's time for me to add in some hot water into it. See, guys, when you put in the hot water, it's still boiling up. So guys, sorry about that. Remember I say to you, when the water finishes to dry down, you're supposed to check the meat if it cook before adding the hot water into it. So guys, sorry about that, it never cook. See the meat here, guys, it don't cook, it's still tough. So that's why adding water inside of it. And guys, we're going to put more season, like a little more all-purpose seasons inside of it. Because guys, remember we're adding the water inside, so we're going to get a little fresh. So we're going to re-season it after we put in the chocho, the carrot and the Irish, and all the bell pepper, guys. Guys, cook it me, guys. So guys, it's time for me to check the meat. And to finish the season it now, guys. I'm going to sleep. It's time for me to put in my chocho, my carrot, and also pimento seed, my thyme, slice of butter, we have to put in some more all-purpose season because the amount of water to add inside of it to make it cook, guys. You have to re-season it away, guys. For it to taste nice, so guys, you have to put in my carrot, my Irish, my pepper, my guys, look how pretty. Chocho is very good for it, guys. Tender it down. And the carrot and the Irish and the bell pepper. Guys, when you cook from go down, I'm going to taste it what it needs. But I don't believe it needs anything, guys. Guys, I love when the cooking down. And I feel make it cook away, guys. I'm putting the pepper inside of it, the bell pepper. Guys, see it here. Guys, you taste everything into your meat. All the season, guys, the taste. Just make your meat pot roast your time and just season it, re-season it after it pot roast for time. You know, guys, it cook. So you're just going to steam also the carrot and the Irish, and you go steam on it, guys. Guys, you don't want it to finish eat it. You taste all the bone, guys, inside the bone here. Oh my God. Very nice. Guys, you can eat it with food, rice, vegetable, whatever guys you choose to eat it with, guys. You can have it with it. So guys, look on it. Guys, Guys, now it's time for me to add in 1 spoon of ketchup into it. The next 2 to 3 minutes, I remove the flame from underneath it, guys. And good to go. So guys, I ready to remove it, the flame from underneath it. But guys, I left to taste it for you. Guys, you don't need anything more to eat. It's so delicious and nice, guys. Wow. Guys, I can remove the flame before I don't have any gravy.